Hey YouTube, welcome. My MN90 D90, my beloved small car. Ever thought it's ready? I thought maybe someday it will be ready and finished, but you know those cars are never ready and never finished. So after the new 370 motor and metal transmission, metal gears and all this stuff, now I still use the plastic axles, and now metal axle houses have been released for the MN90 and the MN45. I received them today. They are beautifully made matte black. Unfortunately, they have been packed very poorly, so a lot of bumps, and the red color of the axle housing covers already is missing in some parts. But anyway, I wanted to paint those axle housing covers in black, and the axles really well made, exactly the same dimensions as the MN90 and MN45 axles. They do also come with those silver Phillips head screws, and I will try to replace them by black socket head or socket head hex screws, button head or socket head. We will see. Further fantastic upgrade has been released recently. Those are those fantastic universal joint steerings which come with the WPLC 34, the Land Cruiser FJ40, and they are available now as spare parts, and I ordered several to upgrade all my trucks with those fantastic steerings. They work much better than the old metal dog bone steerings. And those universal joints should also highly improve the steering angle. So let's see what's now the maximum steering angle. It's not really bad. And let's compare it after I have made my upgrades. So let's do it. I want to sand the axle housing covers and paint them in matte black too. And I want to change the dog bone style steering joints to those universal joints. So after removing the paint was really quite a lot of work, and sanding the diff covers, I painted them in black with Vallejo black primer, and this looks much better. What do you think? So I think this looks so much better, matching perfectly the color of the axle housings. I don't know why people like this red. And of course I will replace the ugly silver Phillips head screws M2 by nice black hex screws, button head screws. So let's do it. Remove the plastic axles from my MN90 and replace them with metal axles, really beautiful black. And of course I will replace the dog bone style steering by those fantastic universal link steerings of the WPLC 34. We will see how much this will improve the steering angle. Plastic axle housings removed, tires removed. The only plastic part I still do have here are those link mounts. Those parts are meanwhile available in metal too, but I did not yet buy them. That will probably be the last thing I could buy for this car to upgrade it really. Anyway, rear axle, front axle. Let's start with the rear axle. Okay guys, finally finished. Front axle with universal joint steering and rear axle full metal flawlessly. Now I removed the dog bone style steering from the front axle, but I had to adjust all the gears again, so it's not a simple swap in and out from the old plastic axle to the new metal axle. And to mount the universal joint steering I had to remove the inner ball bearings of the steering knuckles, so they have each of those steering knuckles has two large ball bearings, one outside and one inside, and to make the universal joint steering work you will have to remove the inner one. Otherwise it's nice, it sits firmly now. The only annoying part is, as always, you know, the gears. To adjust the gears again, and I think I will have to improve this steering angle if it's really better now. I don't know. We will see. So let's mount the axles to the car and see how it does. So guys, finished. Axle mounted, axles mounted, already bumps, nice new metal axles and universal steering joints. Does the steering really have increased? I don't know. I have to compare it to the picture. So that's probably maximum of steering angle now. Does it really have improved? Let's compare it. So guys, that's it. New upgrade for my MN90 D90. Still did not change the windshield. We already have the new one for probably some months here. And that's a workbench crawler now.